cubby.
Look at that. Look at that. You could hide your Glock. I mean, your drugs.
What?
I mean, your
What?
Ford paraphernalia.
Let me just tell you guys about Jake. He doesn't do drugs, and he doesn't have a Glock.
No, I don't.
There he goes. And it sounds good. Nice deep rumble. Woo! Arcadian Blue. It's my favorite blue. Neato. All right. You ready, Jake? Hi, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always is Jake the Snake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars, and this is a 1967 Ford Mustang with a 289 in it. It's got an upgraded 4-barrel. It's got the C4 automatic transmission. Nice highway gears in the rear. This is Arcadian Blue. Isn't it beautiful?
It is beautiful.
Black vinyl on the inside. Radial tires, dual exhaust, rocker panel moldings. Hood turn signals, that work. I checked it. Factory air conditioning, that works. Power steering, power brakes, and an upgraded 4-barrel. Ooh. I like a car with a console and bucket seats. Don't you, Jake?
I do like it. Yeah, the shifter on the console is supreme.
And it lights up, too. It lights up.
I know.
I can't wait to
I
show
love
you.
black interior, too. It's always going to be in style.
Always.
Black interior. Very classy.
Always.
Black and chrome. That's what you like. And especially on this light blue, looks absolutely awesome. I do have the keys.
Oh, good. Because I wanted to show the nice little...
Oh, that's not the right keys. He's running.
I don't like to do this.
No one's ever seen him run. We forgot
It's
the
not
keys.
fun.
He's getting
Slow
the keys.
man run. Jake's laughing at me.
Here he comes. Here comes Krista Beal. He's a demon
I've
on
made it.
legs.
I'm not
He's
a
running
demon
back.
on wheels.
He's got the correct keys now.
Yes, I could have started that Cadillac, but I didn't really want to. I wanted to start this.
Look at that.
Whoa!
Big trunk.
Big trunk, but it's beautiful.
I know. The nice plaid mat.
Nice.
Oh, look at that.
It's blue.
You thought there was rust down there? You're wrong.
I was wrong.
It's absolutely perfecto. Extra primo good, sir.
Extra primo good, sir.
Got the nice spare tire under there, too. Very nice. Stickerage, yes.
The man loves stickerage.
On the bottom of the trunk lid.
He's got
also
problems.
got the chrome Mustang letters on the back. Very nice.
Oh,
Look at those door
look
panels.
at the Arcadian Blue.
It's got cranky windows. They're not mad at you.
Why would they be mad?
You just got to crank them up and down. Chris is going to open our hood here. Very nice.
It's right here, the hood latch. Look at that 289. Ain't she a beaut?
She is a beaut, and she's blue, like the rest of the car.
Boogie,
A
woogie,
different
woogie.
blue, but two blues.
It's almost electric.
Yeah, this engine bay is really clean. Car sounds good, it drives good, and I'm ready to hear it and drive it.
Let's do it, Jake.
Let's do it. Here's your microphone.
Oh, the microphone.
And here is me.
Jake, you'll be happy to know there's a lot of space in here.
There is a lot of space in here, actually.
And we need space.
And there's also a JVC head unit with a tape player.
It's a cassette tape.
A cassette tape player.
See, look at this. It lights up.
Smooth rolling
Neutral.
windows.
D. It's lit up.
Oh, look at that.
It's
lights up
way
down
better
there.
in park. See, look how bright park is. Isn't that neat?
It is neat.
I thought it was cool.
It is cool.
It reminds me of the Cougars.
Yes, it does.
Thank you.
There's our JVC head unit
Mm.
there on the dashboard. Then you have this little cubby down here. Do you want to use the cubby?
Oh, this is a roll-top desk cubby.
Look at that. Look at that. You could hide your Glock. I mean, your drugs.
what?
I mean, your
What?
Ford paraphernalia. in there.
Let me just tell you guys about Jake. He doesn't do drugs, and he
No.
doesn't have a Glock.
No, I don't.
Should he have one? Maybe, but it doesn't matter. He doesn't own one.
Anyway,
and
about
he's
the
just not
car.
that guy. Well, there's Jimmy.
We have factory air conditioning.
It's over there on the left side.
It's over on the left side of the wheel.
On the left, on the left.
Everything you own in the box to the left. There's Jimmy Jam.
I think he needs us.
He's one of our sales.
Let's find out what we need. Jimmy, are you all right? Jimmy, this is Arcadian Blue.
Arcadian Blue.
That's what they called it. Can you believe it? Now you know, and knowing's half the battle.
Well, it was keeping me up at night thinking about what it was.
I'm proud of you that you can sleep now.
Oh my
Good luck.
goodness.
We're all counting on you, Jimmy.
Oh my goodness. We like Jim.
We do. Jim's good people.
He's good people. All right. I think they're going to wait for us.
Well, they're silly.
They are silly. We're going to go. Here we go. Oh, there's a car behind us. We're getting away. Oh, it sounds good.
It tears off like a shot from a gun.
From a gun, but not a Glock.
No, we're not promoting anything.
We also have Mustang over here on the dashboard.
Oh, yes.
Very nice. We also have a glove box. Oh, look, there's stuff in it. And part of that stuff is this, the owner's manual. Look at that.
Who doesn't love a nice owner's manual?
I don't know. Communists.
Wow. Hey, Jake being bold.
Oh, nice horn.
I know it works.
Yes, it does work. We have a real big steering wheel over here.
It's not
The
kidding
Mustang
around.
badge in the middle of it. And on the other side of that wheel, we have gauges.
We do. We have an alt gauge. We have an oil pressure gauge. We have the gas on the left. We have the temperature on the right, and it's
Yes, we
starting
do.
to climb.
Yes, we just cold started it, so it's still quite cold. Very nice, though.
Like Lord Vader, it's beginning to rise.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
We got the nice visors that don't droop. The headliner looks new. I mean, everything about this car looks new. I'm assuming it was recently restored.
It was recently restored, and the engine was rebuilt about, let's see, how many? A couple thousand miles ago. It really wasn't. It was sold, and then we brought it back to us.
Yes.
Yeah.
We
It's a
had this
great
car maybe a year ago.
Year or so.
But yeah, the headliner is in great condition. It's not drooping anywhere. You got the nice dome light in the middle.
Love that.
I would test if it works, but I don't want to open the door.
Well, here, can I do it like this?
Oh, look, it's on.
And it's off.
Wow. There's a switch
Pretty
over there
amazing.
for that?
Well, see the light switch that you pull out for the actual external lights? If you turn them to the left, it'll come on.
Oh, look at that.
It's
The more
almost
you
in
know.
all these old cars.
The more you know. We also have real back seats
For real people.
for real people. They're not the biggest in the world.
Gary
Maybe-
Sinise could probably fit in.
Yeah, or children. Got speakers back there in the deck lid, which is very nice.
Very nice. And then we have these smoke. I always call these like smoker glass.
Yeah.
You just open it and it's just a little vent.
The quarter windows over there.
Quarter windows, thank you very little.
Yes.
But you know what? I can't even get this open. I'm not pushing too hard.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
We have both side mirrors. One on that side, one on that side.
That
because
was an
this
option.
The height of safety back in 1967.
It was. Look at the indicators. Can you see it on the hood?
I don't
I'm
know
doing
if
the
I'll be
right.
able- I don't
No,
know if
it's
I'll be
hard to
able to
see.
see 'em.
It's
Yeah,
hard to see.
in those little slats up there in the hood, there are lights for the indicators, and they do work.
They do. It helps at night, but we don't do these at night.
No, we don't.
I wonder if he would
We're
let
only
us do
here
it.
during the day.
What if he let us come in at night and do night rides?
That'd be fun.
Would be
If
funny.
we ever got a kit.
I was just going to
we
say a
would have
night
to do a
rider.
night
We would
rider.
have to. I'll get my
Although that's KNIGHT Night Rider.
Chris
I believe.
night. That's
So-
right. And then we would have to get obviously members only jackets.
Yes.
You would be the old guy in the truck
I'd have to
because you're
drive
very
my mold.
smart like that, and
Oh.
I would be Christopher Knight, the crime solver.
Yeah, because you look like David Hasselhoff.
I am David Hasselhoff. I'm a great swimmer.
You're as old as him, that's for sure.
No, I'm actually younger, believe it or not. But let's
Oh.
not get into this right now. My God, it was a great TV show.
It was. So yeah, we got a nice
Must-see TV.
big blue hood out in front of us. We almost didn't mention vinyl top.
Oh yeah, it
On
does
the
have
outside,
a black vinyl top.
Fantastic condition. Everything in here is in great condition.
And the hood, it's Arcadian Blue.
It is Arcadian Blue, like the rest of the car.
Mm.
Chrome wiper arms,
Oh,
because chrome was the way to go back in 1967.
and why wouldn't you?
And you can tell it's a factory AC car because it has all the vents. You got vents up there in the dash, and you have the vents over here on the side too. Most cars wouldn't have that if it didn't have AC.
Wipers right here.
Oh, look, and they work.
Love when they work.
That's amazing. We're finally up to temp, so that gauge works. We know
It does.
that. Fuel gauge works. We got a little under half a tank. Oil pressure is good. Time to do a bean test.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Oh, here we go.
She's angry, folks.
Oh, it
she
shifted
left
into
the
second.
nice stuff. Oh, very
That
nice.
C4 automatic transmission, third gear. Sounds good.
Does.
Got a
I'm
nice
gonna let
deep
off a
rumble.
little bit. I'd like
Nice
not to get
deep
it
rumble. Oh, look at that. He likes
Love
the
that
horn.
one. Love it. So, yeah, our place is becoming South Fork Ranch. It's really bothering me.
Yeah, our normal
So
stop
are they gonna?
where we do flybys, they're having it gated off, and they're doing construction. So,
Keep the riffraff out.
yeah, I guess us, we're the riffraff.
I guess so.
We'll
I
have
just
to
don't
do it
understand
here.
what they're doing.
I don't either.
Wish they would tell us. Leave a drop in the comments if you know.
If you live in St. Charles and you're one of the gentlemen working on the soccer park here, let us know what you're doing.
We'd love to know.
But for now, we're here for our flyby spots.
That's right. Oh, boy. Can't believe our gates are all torn down, too. It's making me sad.
I know. But they're putting better, newer gates up.
Ah, newer, better gates.
Bigger,
Sorry.
better, faster, stronger.
Bigger, better, faster.
You ready to do flybys?
Oh, I am.
All right.
Let us go.
Let's do them.
There he goes, Jake the Snake. Off and running. There's no reason for all that. There is a reason. We like noise. See, boys are loud. Girls, nice and quiet. Unless they're Italian, then they're not. My daughters are, so it's okay. I can say that. There he goes. Man, that sounds good. Nice deep rumble. Dual exhaust is awfully nice to have. Woo! Almost lost my head on that one. It's very windy here in the Midwest. Can't explain it. Well, I could. It's wind patterns. And here he comes. Honking his way here.
Hello, Chris.
Oh, hi!
This thing runs fantastic.
Like the Dickens, eh?
It does run like the Dickens. And look how easy the doors open and close.
I love that.
It is awesome. This is also one of the prettiest colors I've ever seen on one of these Mustangs.
It's Arcadian Blue.
It runs good. It drives good. It looks good. It's a 67 Mustang, so it's one of the coolest years ever.
Ever.
What more do you want?
You can't ask for anything more.
No, you can't. You ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's do it.